State officials urge complete evacuation. Severe flooding is expected.
It's okay. We're ready.
When the things that matter most are on the line, make sure we are too. The storm response team at 1-800-SERVPRO. Like it never even happened.
The Weather Channel is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or visit weather.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has eliminated the fasten seatbelt sign.
Little puppy. Right, we're heading. Buckle up now.
Fly into chaos with the Hurricane Hunters, Mondays at 9 on the Weather Channel.
Now, your local on the 8s.
Currently in our area, 70 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, scattered showers and thunderstorms. High 73. Winds west at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. For tonight, showers ending early. Thunder is possible early. Low 57. Winds west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. On Wednesday, thunderstorms developing in the afternoon. High 79. Chance of rain 60%. Our 7-day outlook.
Good afternoon, everybody, from Live Oak, Florida.